Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about integration by substitution.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral of -9 times the secant of negative 3x times the tangent of negative 3x times the secant squared of the secant of negative 3x dx. And we have to evaluate this indefinite integral. Well, I want to find a u value here. And this one's a little tricky, right? Normally, I would gut feelings like, oh, maybe a negative 3x, but I don't think that's really going to work out for us here. I actually found the integral here, or the u value that works, is that secant of negative 3x. Just think about that for a moment. If we had a u value of just negative 3x, I would have a u here, a u here, a u here, and then, to be honest, what would we do here? What's going on? We have negative 3, might line up with a dx, we have to pull out a 3, but we still have a lot of u's and we're not really going anywhere. So if we try with the u being secant of negative 3x, what's my du value? Well, the du value, derivative inside, will be negative 3. That's like the u prime. Then we multiply that by, well, the secant of negative 3x times the tangent of negative 3x dx. That is a fairly large du, but it actually lines up pretty good for what we need. So again, let's go see if we can get this thing kind of similar. Notice right here we have our u value, and our du lines up pretty well. We have the dx here, tangent of negative 3x, secant of negative 3x. I just need a negative 3 out front. So if I pull out a positive 3 from the integral, I'm left with a negative 3 on the inside, secant of a negative 3x, a lot of writing here, tangent of a negative 3x times the secant squared of the secant of a negative 3x. I'm done with these secants, dx. Now we can substitute things in our u values, right? So our u is right here, and our du is this negative secant, a negative 3 secant of negative 3x, tangent of negative 3x, and my dx together is my du. So we can rewrite this now to be a very easy integral to solve. The integral are 3 times the integral of the secant squared of u du. Now that looks way more manageable. So the integral of, well, the secant squared of u, so we have 3 times the integral of secant squared of u. If you know our definition, that's just the tangent of u plus c. And then from there, we just have to substitute u in. So u are 3 times the tangent, and instead of a u, let's put that secant of a negative 3x in there for u plus c, and there we have our final answer. 3 times the tangent of the secant of negative 3x, all plus c. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.